Hey YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this Amara look. The things you'll need are a styrofoam head or canvas head, any kind of mannequin head you have, the T-pins or stick pins. You'll need a crochet hook or a crochet needle. You'll need a wig cap, the net kind. You can get open top or closed top. For my look, I used 2 packs of this Marley Cuban twist hair in 16 inches. You'll need some scissors. And you're going to go ahead and put the cap on the mannequin head. I do struggle to put the cap on the head for some reason, so bear with me. And if you get the open top, it's okay because I'll show you how to close it. And with the Marley hair, I'm going to be cutting the hair in half and then folding the hair in half to attach it to achieve this look. So if you plan on cutting and getting the fullness that I have, then 2 packs should be enough in 16 inches. And if you want the length that I have as well. So I'm just securing the hat down with some T-pins. I'm just showing the open top. And the reason I chose to get the open top is because it was cheaper at my store. And any Marley brand hair will work. I got that brand because it was also cheaper at my store. So when you get ready to separate the hair, you want to make sure you have the hair evenly distributed on each side. So you want to be able to see your gold twist tie or rubber band or scrunchie, whatever they use to secure it. You want to see it around the whole bundle of hair so you won't accidentally cut a piece of hair too short. So then you want to go ahead and cut it in half. If you want it to be this long, then of course don't cut it. But just remember, if you leave it how it is, once you start to fluff it out, it's gonna be very, very long and big. So you may be going for maybe like a Shaka Khan look if you opt to leave it the long length. So here I'm just showing them grabbing a piece of hair. You're going to unravel the end so it doesn't have like that straight tip, that pointy tip, so it'll look more natural. And then fold it in half. And then on the cap, I'm going to start like 2 inches above the lining of the cap to start attaching. And we're going to go through like 3 or 4 holes. You don't want to go through one hole at a time. You want to go through multiple holes at a time to add the hair. And then I'm only going to loop this hair one time because I find with kinky, curly, or coily, Marley type hair, it stays secured if you just put one knot in. It doesn't fall out like Kanekalon hair or anything like that. And you can also choose to unravel it once you installed all the hair, which I wind up doing after this piece because it's quicker. But that would be how you do it. And then there's no set pattern on how you add the hair. I'm just randomly adding in its spots. So you want to do this over the whole head. And as you can see, I'm just randomly placing it. And I'm going to do this throughout the whole head. If you do want a kind of a set pattern to follow, kind of start a rim around 2 inches above the starting of the cap. Go around the whole head and then kind of do windows until you get to the very top. So what I do is just randomly place, and if I see a big open white spot, then I will stick a piece there. Normally one piece will fix a white spot because, again, you're not going through one hole. You're going through 3 or 4, so that should capture that space. And this takes about an hour to complete the whole head. So it's a fairly easy process and a fairly quick process. So as you can see, this is what half a pack looks like, and you're already getting a lot of fullness. And it's going to get even bigger once you start to fluff out the ends. And also, that's why it's not really a set pattern, because once you start to fluff out the hair, it's going to cover up any empty spaces anyway. So now I'm going to show you how to close the top. You're just going to gather it together and go through all of those holes that you gathered together, and then pull one piece through, make your loop, and then that should close off the top with just one piece. If you do find that you still have a little bit of an opening, just add the pieces of hair around it to close up the extra empty spaces. This is what it looks like with 2 packs before I unraveled the ends. And this is after I unraveled the ends. And I just wanted to put it on and show you what it looks like. I haven't did anything extra to it from what you saw. And the reason I like using the net caps for this instead of a dome cap is because you can kind of shift it more and play with like how it looks without having to do anything super extra. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna probably cut it too much. I may kind of shape it here. And all I'm gonna do really is cut the little stragglies that are kind of sticking out. But as far as shaping, I'm just gonna leave it exactly how it is. And I just want you to see that I didn't go, as you can see. Wait, it's not even, yeah, that is it. All of this part is empty. So you don't have to go all the way to the end. Post pictures from the shoot. Hope you guys enjoyed it.